I've been waiting for the morning.
Singing together virtually, members of the Beaufort High School Voices Choir recorded their first online performance so they could sing together while staying apart. Students took turns recording their tracks in an office that was transformed into a makeshift recording studio, and then recorded their song portions from home.
Most of the filming was done by the students at home, so they had the same track that they listened to when they recorded. They had that at home, and they just recorded a video. That way they can do it without masks, and it would make it seem a little bit more personal.
I can see the light.
Virtual choir performances have been popular since the COVID-19 pandemic started, and the students say they enjoyed the experience, even though it was challenging.
I was scared at first because, all we've ever done is actual performances live, and the energy with that, having the audience like clapping for us, all of that. And so this was kind of reframing how singing works for me a little bit. And you also kind of have to hear yourself singing, which is scary because you start critiquing yourself. So it was intense.
It was definitely very different because normally I can blend with the rest of my choir and I can hear everyone else. So it was a little difficult to just sing with myself. But I think it was a really awesome experience, and it was totally different than anything else we've ever done.
The choir sang Light of a Clear Blue Morning because of the song's message.
The text goes, "It's been a long, dark night, but I've been waiting on the morning." So it paints this imagery of darkness, which can relate to any sort of troubled time in life. And then it says, "I've been waiting for the morning and I can see the light." And especially during coronavirus, this message is really, I think it was really valuable to the students as well.
Even though the students weren't physically performing together, they really enjoyed watching the final performance.
I was really, really happy with the way it turned out, and I think that we all were just excited that it kind of came together and it sounded good and it looked like it matched, so we were really excited.
Please click on the link in the description to watch the entire performance. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.